Hello everyone, my name is Douglas Rivera, and today we are talking about the sounds of language. To speak about the language, we have to take into account some aspects about the phonetics. And let's learn about phonetics. The articulatory phonetics explore how speech sounds are physically produced by the vocal tract's movements. It delves into the intricate muscle interlacing in around the mouth that enables humans to produce a wide range of sound with great speed. The acoustic phonetics analyzes the physical property of these sounds as they travel through the air, focusing on characteristics like frequency, amplitude, and duration. And the auditory phonetics investigates how speech sounds are perceived and interpreted by the human ear, contributing to our understanding of language comprehension and communication. About the consonants, consonants articulation, the voiced and voiceless consonants are distinguished by the presence or absence of vibration in the vocal cords during the speech production. This distinction can be felt physically by placing a fingertip gently on the top of the Adam's apple. The place, the place of articulation refers to where in the vocal tract the airflow is obstructed to produce a consonant sound, such as the lips, the teeth, the tongue, and symbols from the International Phonetic Alphabet (IPA) are used to represent the sounds. About the manner of articulation describes how the airflow is modified or obstructed to produce different consonant sounds such as stops, fricatives, or nasals. Then we have the place and the manner of articulation. The IPA provides symbols for precise transcription of consonant sounds, facilitating the study of articulatory phonetics. Familiar symbols like the P, like the B, like the M, or like F represent common consonant sounds, but there is less familiar symbols like the th or that denote sounds like the in thing or in this, while other symbols represent sounds made in specific areas of the mouth, such as palatals like z and velars like or the vowel production. Vowels are produced with a relatively open vocal tract, allowing for a free flow of air without significant constriction. The position of the tongue within the mouth determines the quality of the vowel sounds, with variation in tongue height, frontness or backness, and tension producing different vowel qualities. Diphthongs, for example, are complex vowel sounds that involve a smooth transition between two vowel qualities within a single syllable, adding richness to speech sounds. About the individual variation, The speech articulation varies among individuals due to the factors like regional dialects, sociocultural influences, and anatomical differences in the vocal tract. This variation contributes to the richness and the diversity of the spoken language, leading to unique accents and pronunciation patterns across different populations. And the other aspect is the phonology, because phonology examines the abstract patterns and the rules governing to organization of sounds in language, focusing on how these patterns contribute to linguistic meaning and communications. It helps explain how listeners parse and interpret speech sounds despite the variation in pronunciation, highlighting the importance of underlying phonological structures in language comprehension. So, thank you for your attention and see you on the next time.